Thanks for tuning back into Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a nail polish swatch and review of the Covergirl Outlast Stay Brilliant nail polish. This is one of 3 nail polishes I ordered off eBay. The supplier offers a buy 2 get 1 free deal. If you want to purchase this polish on its own, it is $2.54. For my complete order of all 3 nail polishes, I paid $9.76 with free expedited shipping. If you are interested in purchasing this polish or any of the polishes seen here that the supplier offers, I will leave a link in the description box below that will take you directly to where you can purchase these at. This one is called Nuclear. It is number 97. The bottle contains 11 milliliters or 0.37 fluid ounces of product. The color of this polish is a very neon greenish yellow color. It almost looks like a matte polish when you're looking at it from the bottle, but it's not. In fact, it's supposed to be a 3-in-1 glossy shine polish. They claim you don't need a base or top coat, and the color and polish will remain intact up to 7 days with no wear and tear and keep it shine. As you can see, the top or cap of the polish is square and box shaped. Now, I don't know how many of you know this or not, but you can pop off that cap if you're having issues holding onto or polishing with the square cap. It should pop right off, and you can use the smaller round cap if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the first coat. Look at that. The first stroke off this brush, absolutely gorgeous. The bristles do seem to be real flexible. We all know that I'm not a fan of small brushes, but this one seems to be working just fine on its own. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the first coat, and I'll be right back. So here we are with the first coat, and as you can see, there is some streaking on the nail. I did expect that because of the formula and because of its color. I was pleasantly surprised that there wasn't a lot of puddling on the nail, again because of the formula. I did expect that to be an issue. The color does seem to be really good and pigmented. We will see with our second layer that I'm fixing to do. So here is the second layer, and as you can see, there is still some streakiness and patchiness on the nail. That means I'm going to need to do a third layer, which is not uncommon with colors like this. Your greens, yellows, and bright oranges tend to be a little bit more streakier than other colored nail polish. Also, you can see on the nail, as the polish starts to dry, it does not level very well. You want to be sure you're using very thin and even layers. You want to take your time with this nail polish, or else you're going to have a very uneven manicure. Now, you could just fix this problem with a quick swap of the nail brush by adding a top coat, but remember, you're not supposed to need a top coat with this nail polish. So even with the third layer, you're still not going to be able to get away with not using a top coat. You can wear the polish as is, but it's just not going to look that great. If you want a nice, smooth, and even finish, you're going to have to use a top coat. Now, is this because it's set on some shelf for a long period of time? I have no idea. I can only review what I have. The color is amazing. You know what it reminds me of? Covergirl's Apple Teeny mixed with Morgan Taylor's, what's that polish? It's like What Y'all Looking At, or What Y'all Looking At, something like that. It reminds me of those two polishes mixed together. For more information on this polish, you can look down in the description box. If you want to check out my reviews and ratings, as well as other customer reviews and ratings on this nail polish, you can go to my review website, which will also be linked in the description box as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell option to be notified when I upload new content. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!